How to make Google Chrome your default browser. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to make Google Chrome your default browser. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, click the search bar at bottom left corner of the screen and type in choose default browser. Then you will redirect to this page where you can easily see the step to make a default browser in your Windows 10 or above that. So first of all, make sure the browser you want to set as default is installed on your PC. After that, you can open the settings app by pressing Windows I on your keyboard. Once it gets launched, on the left panel select apps and here choose apps for websites. Now on this section, if you don't find the option, simply you can proceed back and then select default apps. After that, tap on the search apps under search default for application and type in Chrome. Open Google Chrome. At the top you can see make Google Chrome your default browser. Click set default, and once you do that, Google Chrome will automatically become your default browser on your PC. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.